What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Ordinary E, the $1 Million Playlist channel. This is just an update for the end of July. I'm going to do these monthly now because just to show you, if you're new to the channel, we built a PC for free and now we're listening to YouTubers who say you can make $10,000 a month, and we're putting that into action, and I'm showing you full transparency, the truth behind any of that. And we're starting off with the eBay, where we follow daily refinement, promising $10,000 a month, listing 5 items a day, which is not true. You can't make that. What we did get is our new colored star. We surpassed 500 reviews and we got a purple star. The next one comes at 999, so can't wait for that. But we are stopping eBay and everything's 100% still, all positive reviews. Yeah, so I can't really do much more, so I can't make $10,000 a month. And I worked out to make $10,000 a month you need to make £300 a day, which is times 30 days. You can do the maths, and that means you've got to list at my current rate 140 items and sell 140 items. Well, I can't find 140 items, so there's no way I can do that. We go over to our spreadsheet. You're familiar with this. We have sold now £2,716 worth of stuff altogether for a year and a half. And this spreadsheet, I'm going to stop. Well, I might keep an eye on it. So what I'm going to do though is pick out all the stuff that make between £5 and £10. All these stuff that makes 35p, 70p, zero. I'm going to stop selling. So like DVDs, games, some games, obviously. Yeah, I'm just going to filter out the stuff that makes big money, not big money, but £5 to £10, and we're going to just sell those kind of things. But yeah, altogether, you can see here we've sold now 547 things for this year, and we're making just over £2. And this sheet isn't completely accurate because I don't put all the costs in. I'm not working out how much I'm paying for goods. We have reduced the number of years it will take to earn £1 million on eBay to 530. But if I was to put all the expenses in, like I've stopped calculating how much I'm paying for stuff. But like if I put in my cost for like envelopes over the past, if I bought one of these every year, it would be 6 months. If I put the petrol in here and the total cost of goods, so petrol again, I'm not calculating properly, and the cost of goods are not going into this sheet. And then what you would do is it would tell you how much you would spend, but I'm not really calculating it. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to recoup my money back or sell stuff that I own and just get as much money as I can so we can put it into our investment sheet. So if you're familiar with this sheet, I'm calculating every month all the earnings I'm getting. I'm now putting all my earnings into investment, which was Mark Tilbury. And again, we're not making $10,000 or $10 million, pounds, or whatever you want to call it. In fact, we're losing money. I still like the idea of earning dividends. I had this wrong on the last video, so I've changed that. And what I've decided to do after watching a few other people doing dividends is increase my portfolio. So down here, I've picked some more dividend paying companies. And what this will do is every month at some point, one of these guys will pay out. So I'm going to get a monthly payout regardless. So what happens is I get the payout from AGNC. So I put all my investment in AGNC. Once I get a payout, I then split it across the dividend. Hopefully next month I'll be able to get 2 more. So at the moment I'm splitting that in half and getting 2 going at the same time. And so far we've had, £209 dividend payout from AGNC, 39p from Ellington, 22p from Oxford, 0 from Armour, and I've just put in these 2 here, which are Rio Tinto and Shell Energy. And then next month I'm going to get these going, and then the following month, and so on. So I'm going to increase my portfolio so that every month one of these guys will be paying out, or some guys are paying out monthly, so hopefully this will start increasing. And at the moment, yeah, if I was to pull out my stocks this month from AGNC, I would lose £592, lose 21p from Armour, and so on. So at the moment, in total, if I tried to pull out my stocks, I would lose £592. So doing all of this, guys, has reduced my year goal to reach £1 million to 384. And yeah, we're just going to carry on doing that and just keep building that. That's just going to keep going now. I think I'm just going to keep doing that. This month was one of my best eBay sales, so £338. But I did reduce a lot of stuff just to get rid of it. Like I said, I'm stopping eBay because you don't earn £10,000 a month, like somebody said. And Mark Tilbury, again, you don't earn £10,000 a month quickly. We could build this up though, and I'm still going to do a bit of both. And then we have this last one that we got from Joshua, again doing this print on demand, and at the moment it's just costing me money. I'm doing more designs and I'm still paying more money, but I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to carry on. Still don't have enough designs, and I'm going to just carry on doing this and see, eventually try and get a sale, and hopefully this does kick off. And I think this month I'm going to start looking at this month we're going to start looking at affiliate marketing. So I've been looking at this guy. His name is Joshua Elder, and he doesn't promise that he does make promises that you can make £100,000, £350 a day, £1,000 a day doing these kind of things. So his videos are quite intuitive and very easy to follow, I think. And so I'm going to try some of these things that he's got out here. And yeah, so we've subscribed to him, and if he's worth subscribing to, if I start making money using his stuff, look at this, he's got one here, £0 to £10,000 a month. Again, these promises for £10,000 a month. So we're going to check this guy out and see if we can do it and see if it's true or just if I'm lame. So if we go to our subscribes and we find Joshua, I think we've already unsubscribed from Joshua. Yeah, Joshua's already gone, Mark's gone, Daily Refinement is gone. So the next person, oh, I was going to show you who I've been following. So this guy, Greg Godfrey, again, he promises £10,000 a month doing print on demand through Etsy. Well, I've started to watch his videos, so I'm going to pick up some of his tips to see if I can get my Etsy working, and I've subscribed to him, so we'll see about that. Mark Tilbury, I'm sorry mate, but I'm losing money, so I'm going to unsubscribe. And then the lady I was watching, I told you about last. Okay, so this is another one that started. He did like a 5-day or 5-week thing where he walked you through it for print on demand. So I've been following that, so I'm going to try that. But the person I built or changed my store around was Cassie Johnson. So yeah, I did everything Cassie said, and I've not made any sales. So sorry Cassie, but good advice. I mean, she tells you everything you need to know, but I'm not making any sales. She doesn't promise that you're going to make money like they say, others say, I don't think. So she just tells you how to do it, which is fine, which is good. She doesn't make any promises about how much you're going to earn. She just shows you, oh, hold on a minute. 5 days ago, she said make your first £10,000. But okay, we are going to unsubscribe from Cassie. Sorry, Cassie. Good advice though. I mean, if you do want to learn how to do it, this is probably the one you should follow. But at the moment, we are going to be watching through this. So he gives you good tools and stuff to use. He's walked you through it from day one. What he did do though, which disappointed me, was try to sell his Hello Custom subscription. So that's what he wants you to do. Sign up to his app. You have to pay for his app, a monthly charge or something like that. That's basically what he's trying to do. But again, look, he does make promises, but he's doing quite a good walkthrough of how he's trying to do what he's doing. So I'm going to follow this. This is going to be over the next 4 months. If I don't make any sales in the next 4 months, then print on demand is not for me. And yeah, that's it for this video. So it's just an update. I'm going to try and give you an update every month of our route to a millionaire. Hopefully you've built your free PC like I did and you're trying to make money online. And yeah, that's where we are, guys. So appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next month.